one of the main branches of the mathematics is algebra, and it deals with using symbols to represent things. For example, my name is a symbol that represents me, and in algebra we normally use the letters of the alphabet as symbols to represent whatever we like. So we can say, for example, X represents the number of children in a class, and sometimes we have to work with these symbols without knowing what they stand for. So let's say we see, for example, 2a plus 3a is equal to 5a. This tells us that whatever a is, if two of them are added to three of them, then there will be a total of 5 of them. So 5a means 5 times a, that is a plus a plus a plus a plus a. Similarly, 7b minus 3b is equal to 4b. This is like saying if there are 7 bananas and we take 3 of them away, so now there will be 4 bananas left. And we can have a mixture of letters also. Here we can think that 3 apples and these 3 apples and 4 bananas are placed with 2 apples and 6 bananas. So there are 5 apples and 10 bananas. Now, when we see this big expression 3a plus 4b plus 2a plus 6b, we see 4 things being added or subtracted. We call something like this an expression, and this particular expression has 4 terms because 4 things are added up. Notice that 5a plus 10b is the answer here, and we cannot add the 5a and the 10b together. Now, another useful word is coefficient, which is the number beside a letter. So, the coefficient of 5a is 5, the coefficient of 7abc is 7, and the coefficient of x is 1, because x means 1x. Now, note here that a means 1a, so the coefficient of a is 1. So we add 8 plus 4 plus 1 to get the 13a. And here we have a mixture of a terms and unit terms. For the a terms, we find 12 plus 50, which is 62. And for the units, we find 5 minus 2, which is 3. If you want to get full benefit of this course, then do the practice sheet of this lesson before moving on to the next lesson.